good afternoon guys. Buenas tardes amigas, amigos. Naimbag nga bigat kada kayong aming Diyawsan, laypang niya, Diyawsan, ngosek, pan, choy, likomit na nit. Today, I have this a bowl of rice and I have here vegetable. I just boiled this brassica. This brassica is yummy, guys. So this is I boil with water, boiling water. I put some little bit of salt and oil and ginger all the time. If you boil the vegetable, guys, you put the ginger. And this one I have here also the beef, stir fry beef with brown onion, a little bit and ginger, and garlic. So the beef I marinate with a little bit of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and a little bit of wine, and that's all. And then I stir fry very quickly, because if you cook the beef longer, it will get the beef meat will get harder. So another tip from your Lola. Thank you guys. So, and before I forgot, today is a gloomy day, so I have here hot tea, Chinese tea, guys. So I will drink the tea today because the weather is not good, a little bit cold, so drink the tea. But it should be hot tea, guys, because if the tea is cold, it's not good. It's not good. So thank you, Lord, for this blessing again. Thank you. So let's start eating. So this thinly slice of beef. Oh, it's a very long beef. This one. So eat. What did you have for lunch, guys? My simple life, my simple lunch. Brassica is like pechay, but it's not. Right. Sorry. Good job. A lot of vegetable, guys, is good for the body, for the health. Especially for like Lola's age. You are getting old. You eat more veggies, the healthy food. In the beef, guys, there's a lot of fat. I cut them all. I took them away. So it's not fat. It's still some fat in there, but I took out the excess fat of this beef, guys. Ayan. Today guys, the weather is gloomy. Last night was raining. So, not bad. This beef, guys, is sliced already. I bought. It's in the packet. Frozen. Frozen, guys. Shout out to all of you guys, my subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting your Lola. You're always there all the time. Yo te amo con todo mi corazón, guys. Yeah. Yo te amo. If you know the meaning, guys, you put down in your comment, and the first one who get the right one, I will pin them on my next video. Okay, guys? I will pin him or her, if she got the correct meaning of this. Yo te amo con todo mi corazón. I hope you are all good there, watching my video. Thank you very much. The beef is tender, guys. Hungry? Very long. Yummy. The sauce. The sauce is tasty. Don't waste the food, guys. No wasting of food. But it's cold. It's cold. Like that. Finish. Into bowl. Yummy. Like this. Warm. Hot. This one, guys, is good also. Tea. Okay guys, that's all for now. From your Lolang Ofw Vlogs. Thank you again for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel, Lolang Ofw Vlogs, and please don't forget to press the notification bell so that you always updated when I have a new video. Okay, that's all for now.